So in this video we will cover a very important topic, that is ternary operator. I told you what is the meaning of ternary. Ternary means when there are three operands. When an operator works on three operands, then it is known as ternary operator. We have studied binary, unary. Now this is ternary, means it works on three operands. When it works on three operands, then it is known as ternary operator. This operator is also, इस operator का symbol है this question mark and colon, and this is also known as conditional assignment operator. Conditional assignment operator, it is also known as this. The basic syntax, if you can see, एक variable है, this is the assignment operator. This is the असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. इसका काम क्या होता है असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर का? इट असाइंस द वैल्यू रिटन ऑन द राइट टू इट्स लेफ्ट. जो भी वैल्यू राइट में लिखी हुई है उसको लेफ्ट में असाइन कर देता है. सो असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर, दिस इक्वल्स टू ऑपरेटर इज नोन एज असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर इन जावा. क्लियर? सो दिस इज एन असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स, कंडीशन लगी है, यहाँ पर एक कंडीशन होती है. इफ़ दिस कंडीशन इज ट्रू देन you will assign which value? Value 1. And if this condition is false, then which value will be assigned? Then the value 2 will be assigned. For example, if I take a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3, ठीक है, and I write an expression c is equals to a greater than b 5 is to 3. If I write like this, if you can see here, this condition is operand 1. This value 1 is operand 2 and this value 2 is operand 3. That is why this is known as ternary operator. Now if you see this example, in this example what will happen? A, that is 5 is greater than 3. 5 is to 3. If this condition is true, then which value will be assigned? 5. So हमारे केस में 5 is greater than 3 is true. So C की value क्या हो जाएगी? C value will become 5. Is this clear? Now take one more example. If I take one more example, A is equals to 2, B is equals to 1. And the expression is c is equals to this. Now see, this operator, this double equals to operator, you have studied in 8th also. This operator is known as equals to operator. It check whether both the operands are equal or not. So a equals to b, is it true or false? This is false. So when it is false, then which value will be assigned? This. So c will become what? 1. Is it clear? So this is a basic ternary operator. Ternary operator works on three operand and the three operands are as such. This is operand 1, this is operand 2 and this is operand 3. So there are three operands, that is why this is known as ternary operator. The symbol of ternary operator is this, that is question mark colon. If the condition value is true, then what will happen? Value 1 will be assigned. If it is false, which value will be assigned? Value 2, and it will be assigned to which variable? The variable that has written over here before the equal operator, or you can say before the assignment operator. Is this clear? Now this was very easy for you to understand that what is ternary and how it works. There are two types of questions that come in the exam based on ternary operator, so we'll see that first. Two types of questions are asked on these ternary operator. First is give output. ठीक है, give output. These type of questions can be asked. Like example, if it is said int c is equals to 3 less than 4 question mark 3 into 4 is to 3 plus 4. ठीक है, this is given and you have to tell the output that what is the value of c. So in this case, if you can see, this is the condition. This is value 1 and this is value 2. If the condition is true, then what will happen? Value 1. And if condition is false, then what will happen? Value 2. So इस case में 3 is less than 4 is true. So if it is true, then what value will be returned? 3 into 4, that is 12. So C में what will be the output? The output in C will be 12. I hope so this is clear. We have done multiple questions based on this topic in our notebook, so you can practice it once more without seeing the answer. Try to solve them on your own once again, and you can search for some more questions from the Google also. Okay, so one type of question that comes is give output. The next type of question that comes based on ternary operator is, it's like vice versa. It can come like this also. Rewrite using ternary ऑपरेटर. ठीक है, आपको एक कोड स्निपेट दिया होगा, और जैसे कि मैंने बताया, टर्नरी ऑपरेटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज conditional operator. Have you studied conditional operator in class 8? We have studied if else, राइट, इफ एल्स पढ़ा था. तो एक जो बेसिक टाइप का क्वेश्चन इस पे आता है वो ऐसा कुछ आता है कि लिखा हुआ है इफ a इज ग्रेटर दैन b, d इज इक्वल्स टू a माइनस b, else d is equals to a plus b. This is written, this is given, and you have to convert it into ternary operator. आपको इसको ternary operator के फॉर्मेट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है ना. हाउ विल यू डू दैट? सी, फॉर दिस व्हाट हैपन, आपको आपका सिंटेक्स पता है. What is the syntax of ternary operator? You write the variable, then you write condition, then you put a question mark, then you write value 1 is to value 2. This is the basic syntax. तो आप ये जितने भी components हैं ना 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 components you will try to find out in the code given. So if you can see, this a greater than b is a condition. तो मतलब ये कौन सा पार्ट हो गया? सेकेंड पार्ट हमें मिल गया. ठीक है. a minus b is happening when it is true, so इसका मतलब this is third part. And a plus b is happening when it is false, so this is the fourth part. अब वेरिएबल क्या है? if you can see both, there is d written. जब d में असाइन हो रही है वैल्यू, so this d can be known as the first component, that is the variable. Now you got all the operators, now you got all the values to be put in, so now you can easily convert it and you can write like this. वेरिएबल की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? d is equals to, condition is a greater than b, then put a question mark, value 1 is what? this third, that is a minus b, लिख दिया, is to fourth क्या है? a plus b, so it is a plus b and put a semicolon. See, I have so easily rewritten this full if else code into a ternary operator statement. Is this clear? Is this clear? I'll give you one more example. Now we'll see one more example. Okay, so now this is your second example. If you see, you have to convert this if else code into a ternary operator statement. So first of all, what you will write, you will remember the syntax. आपको syntax याद होगा. Syntax लिख लीजिएगा कहीं रफ में. What is the syntax? Variable is equals to condition, question mark, value 1 is to value 2 and semicolon. This is the basic syntax. Now you do the numbering. This is first, second, third and fourth. Find out all these components in if else. This is the condition, so this is first. Sorry, this is second. This is the condition, so this is second. Now value 1, जब true होता है तो क्या value assign हो रही है? 0. So ये 0 क्या हो गया? third component. और जब false हो रही है तो क्या value assign हो रही है? 1000. So ये 1000 क्या हो गया? fourth component. और variable क्या use कर रहे हैं? If you can see, both at if and else the variable used is tax. So ये कौन सा component हो गया? First component. Now you have got all the components, so you can easily convert it and write the ternary statement as variable क्या है? tax is equals to, condition क्या है? basic is greater than 10,000 is to, sorry, question mark and then value 1. What is value 1? That is component 3. 0 is to 1000 and put a semicolon. So I hope so this is clear. We have so easily converted the if else statement into a ternary operator. Is this clear? Now one more type of question comes. 3 types of question were covered. First was give the output, second is rewrite using ternary operator, and the third one will be the vice versa. Your ternary operator will be given and you will have to rewrite using if else. So now we will see the third type of questions that come from the topic ternary operator. Okay, so the next type of question that comes covering the topic ternary operator is that if else code you have to write. आपको ternary operator का code दिया है and you have to write the if else code. If you remember the syntax of if else का syntax क्या होता है? You write if and then you write the condition. ठीक है? If the condition is true, you write some statements, and if the condition is false, you write some statements. This is the basic syntax of if and else. So what you will do, you will try to put these components over here. अगर देखा जाए according to the ternary operator, this is what? Condition. This is what? True. When the value is true, then this is the value, and when the condition is false, then this is the value. ठीक है, ये होता है. So if you place it in the if else syntax, what will happen? It will become if, उसके अंदर condition लिखेंगे. Condition is what? P is greater than 5000. ब्रेसेस लगाया, and true value क्या है? This किसको असाइन हो रही है? D को. So it will be D is equals to P into 5/100. And then you will write else, and then you write in else part you will write the false value, that is D is equals to P into 2/100. I hope so this is clear. सो बेसिकली वॉट यू हैव टू डू, जैसे ही आपको इस तरह का क्वेश्चन मिले, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट रिमेंबर द सिंटेक्स, व्हाट इज द सिंटेक्स, एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग द सिंटेक्स व्हाट you will do, you will just find out the components and place those components in the given format, and you will get your answer. So this was how you will convert a ternary operator into if else. Before this we have seen how to write ternary operator expression once a if else statement is given, and how to evaluate them. So what you can do, you can watch this video 2-3 times so that you are clear with the concept, and practice as many questions you can, because from this chapter lot of question comes in the exam. Clear? Okay.